Most business owners in Nigeria don't fail because they have a bad product. They are failed because they have a silent leak in their bank or cash account. If you have money in your drawer but you are still struggling to pay your rent, then you don't have a sales problem. You have an accounting problem. I am Jacinta Megajoy, and today I am stopping that leak in your business. I am giving you the only 5 concepts you need to stop struggling and start scaling in your business today. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will be very happy you watched this. Concept number 1: you are not your business. Yes, when Chinedu takes 2,000 naira from his business to eat lunch, he thinks he is only eating. In accounting, he is drawing from the business lifeblood. Your business is a separate person from you. If you wouldn't steal lunch from a stranger, why would you steal from your business? Concept 2: sales is not the same as profit. If you sell a bottle of perfume for 10,000 naira, you did not make 10,000 naira. After you subtract everything you paid for the perfume, the bottle, the transport, everything, the remaining amount is your profit. That tiny bit is your profit. Mind you, if you spend your revenue, you will not have money to restock your business again. This concept 3 is what you all asked for in the comment section. Concept 3 is every action has an equal reaction. In accounting, we call it give and take. If you buy a new shelf for the shop, your cash gives while your assets receives. Nothing happens in isolate. Once you master this dual effect, then your books will always be balanced. I will explain this dual effect more in next video. Concept 4 is know the difference between what fits you and what eats you. Assets puts money in your pockets like stock, and liability takes money out from your pockets like a loan or unpaid rent. To grow, you must stack assets and starve liabilities. Finally, concept 5: profit is a theory, but cash is a fact. You can show a profit on paper because people owes you. But if you have zero cash in your bank account to pay your staff today, then your business is paralyzed. Manage your cash first. Know the limit you give to people out for credit. Then your profit is the second. Accounting is not about being good at math, so it is about being good at truthfulness. If you are ready to master the truth of your business, hit that subscribe button and comment ready below if you are joining the masterclass.